Be honest with me. Do you even feel anything anymore? You've got the job, the gym routine, maybe even the relationship, but inside, it's flat. No highs, no lows, just numb. The thing here, it's not because you're broken. It's because your brain's been rewired by stress, by screens, by habits you don't even notice. In this video, I'll show you why so many guys in their 30s are living life on mute and how to reset so you can actually feel alive again. Let's get into it. So what's going on with this? First off, life in your 30s can feel like a pressure cooker. You're juggling a career, maybe a relationship or kids, bills stacking up, and that nagging question, is this really it? That's chronic stress, and it's a killer for your emotions. Science shows that long-term stress messes with your brain's stress system, the HPA axis, locking your feelings away like they're in a vault. Then there's mental health, which we don't talk enough about. Depression doesn't always mean that you're crying all the time. For a lot of dudes, it shows up as numbness, like you're just existing. And the big thing, we're taught to man up, so a lot of us don't seek help, and that emotional shutdown just builds. Another big factor, your dopamine system. Dopamine is the brain chemical that makes you feel pleasure and motivation. But the catch, stuff like endless social media scrolling or watching a lot of porn can overload it. These things are like dopamine candy. They're quick, intense hits that keep you hooked. The problem is, when you're constantly chasing those highs, your brain gets desensitized. It's called dopamine downregulation. Suddenly, normal stuff like a good conversation or a sunset feels flat because your brain's wired for the next big hit. Studies like ones from the Journal of Sexual Research show heavy porn use can make you need more to feel anything, leaving you numb to everyday life. Same with social media. Those likes and notifications, they're engineered to keep you scrolling, but they can actually leave you feeling empty. On top of all of that, your 30s bring big life changes. Maybe you're wondering, is this job my life now? Or did I miss my shot at something bigger? That's a quarter-life crisis, and it can make you feel like you're drifting. Plus, a lot of us lose touch with friends, work, family, life takes over. Without the connections, loneliness creeps in, and that's a fast track to feeling numb. And then don't ignore lifestyle, right? If you're running on 5 hours of sleep and slamming energy drinks or having one too many beers to unwind, then your brain's not at its best. Even subtle hormonal shifts like low testosterone, which can start in your 30s, can dull your mood and energy. That's the problem, right? So now let's talk solutions. You can feel alive again, and it doesn't take a complete life overhaul. Here are 5 practical steps to start today. Number 1, reset your dopamine. If you're spending hours on social media or porn, it's time to cut back. Try a digital detox, maybe a week without Instagram or adult content, or just limit it to 30 minutes a day. Apps like Freedom can block distractions. Your brain needs time to relearn how to enjoy slower rewards like a good book or a walk. It's not about shame, it's about giving your dopamine system a breather. Step 2, move your body. Exercise is a natural dopamine booster. Studies show just 20 minutes of running, lifting, or even yoga can fire up your brain's feel-good chemicals. Pick something that you actually enjoy, hiking, basketball, whatever, and then make it a habit. It's like hitting reset on your mood. Step 3, reconnect with people. I know life's busy, but the friends that you haven't texted in months, reach out. Call them up or join a group or a sports league, right? Human connection is like oxygen for your emotions. If you're feeling isolated, even small steps like chatting with a coworker can help. Step 4, talk it out. Therapy isn't just for broken people, right? It's like a trainer for your mind, helping you figure out why you're numb and how to feel again. If therapy's not your thing, try journaling your thoughts or opening up to a trusted friend. The big goal here is to stop bottling up your emotions and feel them. Step 5, fix the basics. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, no excuses. Eat more whole foods, less junk. Cut back on booze and late night scrolling. Sounds simple, but all of those are huge for your brain and emotions. If you're still struggling, talk to a doctor. They can check for depression, low testosterone, or other issues that might need a medical fix. Here's the deal. Feeling numb doesn't mean you're stuck. It's your brain saying, hey, we need a reset. You're not broken and you're not alone. Start with one thing, maybe a walk, a text to a friend, or cutting back on your phone for a night. Build from there. You're stronger than you think, and you deserve to feel emotions and happy again. So take that first step, take it today. You got this.